Welcome back to Andrea Jane Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you put shaving cream or shaving foam on your glasses. One of the best anti-fog hacks around. We got the steamer going here today. If you're interested in how to use one of these babies, I will link that video in the description box below. But I'm going to show you how this works and then show you a really great tip at the end so that you do not ruin your glasses right here. All right, obviously this is way too much shaving foam or shaving cream that you're going to use. I'm just going to wipe a little bit of this off, much better. And then you're going to take a microfiber towel and you're just going to rub it around in circular motions, just create a small protective layer film on your glasses, and then we're gonna put it to the test here. Woohoo! Now some of you may be saying, will this ruin your prescription lenses, Andrea Jean? Well, this is an article from the Dollar Shave Club, Dr. Stephen Thom. Put it on, wipe it off, and you're set. So take it from an optometrist right there. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's see here. Take a peek here. Fog free, my friend, fog free. However, the mirror, not so much. Now, a couple of tips here when you use shaving cream to defog your glasses or anti-fog them. Make sure you use a microfiber towel. Do not use paper towel or anything that could be slightly abrasive or leave any sort of residue behind. Also, in my experience, this only works 1 to 2 times because I have done it on mirrors in the past. So for a quick fix, yeah, shaving cream is where it's at. Now, if you're curious about what happens when you dump washing powder down your toilet, click the video on screen here now. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.